At this point in our preparation procedure, we should have enough taper to use the System B filling technique. However, this should be confirmed by trying in the System B heat plugger. We need to see if it will go within 5 to 7 millimeters of the working distance. What we want to do is to select the largest heat plugger that will go within 5 to 7 millimeters of the working distance. The System B heat source is activated by the spring switch on the handpiece. Turn the System B unit on. Set the temperature to 200 degrees. Set the touch switch to touch and the power switch to level 10. Our next step is to select a gutta-percha master cone. We want to start by choosing a cone that was the same taper of our instrumented canal. However, you may find that you may need to go up one size in taper to get a good fit and good tug back. Adjust the cone by cutting off small segments until you get the proper fit. It is my recommendation that an additional 1/2 millimeter be trimmed to allow for apical creep during the downpack. After fitting all canals, then verify the fit radiographically. Now it is time to mix cement, and we like the EWT or Extended Working Time cement by Kerr. Just be sure in selecting a cement that you pick one that is not affected by heat and has sufficient setting time for the System B technique. I prefer to load the canals with a final apical hand instrument and then dissipate the cement by running the Caviendo or the ultrasonic instrument in the canals dry. This way you can paint the walls with cement. Remember that the seal is dependent upon the interface between the gutta-percha and the canal wall being filled in with cement. Now place the gutta-percha cone slowly into the canal to allow backflow of cement along the walls, and then sear off the gutta-percha cone at the orifice of the canal. Begin your downpack by activating the heat plugger with a spring switch on the System B handpiece. As you approach a point 2 millimeters from the rubber stop on the heated plugger, release the spring on the handpiece and continue to press apically for 10 seconds. Then apply a separation burst for 1 second and remove the excess gutta-percha. Now take the small end of the number 1 Buchanan plugger and condense the apical portion of the gutta-percha. The Buchanan hand plugger is nickel titanium on the small end and stainless steel on the large end. Now we have two options on how to backpack the rest of the canal. You can fit another gutta-percha cone and do another downpack, or I prefer to use the Optura 2. Set the temperature on the Optura 2 to 200 degrees. Place the tip against the gutta-percha and allow it to heat the gutta-percha in the canal for a few seconds. Then pull the trigger and let the gutta-percha push you out of the canal slowly. Select the large stainless steel end of the Buchanan hand plugger and condense. In larger canals, I prefer to make the backpack into 2 stages. In small canals, I usually prefer just one backpack. Pack each canal one at a time until all the canals are finished, then verify radiographically. The following cases are by Dr. Peter Cancelliere, and you can see some of the outstanding results that can be obtained with this technique. If I can be of any help to you with the products and techniques mentioned in this technique video, please give me a call.